In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can like and join the group for Sell Lemons on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you need to do is actually leave the game if you're currently in it. So hit the little Roblox menu up here, hit leave, and then hit leave game one more time, and you need to return to the game page. Once you're on the game page right here, go ahead and select the game itself, but don't hit play, and you need to go ahead and hit this little like button right here. That'll like the game. You can also favorite it and turn on notifications as well, but that's not a requirement. And essentially from here, just go out and you need to go ahead and scroll down and select developer. To join the group, you choose the developer name and then hit join community, and boom, just like that, you've liked the game and joined the group, and you can now go back into the game, continue playing it, and get any rewards if there was any available. But that's the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.